Okay, I am about to change the fog lights on my 2008 Chrysler Aspen. I already did the left side, so I know how easy it is. So there's the car right there, and as you can see, I already did some of it already. So I'm going to transfer over to the other wheel. So I was seeing some videos that already have been posted about changing these, but none really covered the Aspen. So what I've been doing, what I do is I turn the wheels towards the inside so that you can get to it really easy. This is so simple. Okay. All right, so about to do the right side. Okay, as you see, there's screws here. These screws here, you take those off with a 10mm. So that's what I've been using, as a 10mm socket to take these off. So I'm gonna take these off and be right back with you. All right, I'm back. I want you to see the inside. Try to get as much in there as I can. The light is kind of dark, but there's only 2 screws in there that you're gonna need. There's a you're gonna need a bit like this, and it's gonna be a quarter. You need a 1/4 inch bit like this here. All right, hold on. All right, I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's a couple screws in here. Okay, I don't know if you can see inside there or not, but there's a screw here and a screw there you're gonna need to take off. Okay, you also gonna need to take off the harness there. Just have to squeeze it on both sides to get it to come off. Okay, so I took off the old one, and as you can see, they look pretty identical on both sides. So, you know, you got these here. So, and all you need to do is take it. You're going to insert it like this with this part at the very top, so you can't go wrong. Okay, so I got it in there. Pretty dark, I apologize. It's not very much light, and it's so hot outside during the day, I said forget that. So I got it in there, and now all I have to do is just put the screws in, and then we're done. So as you can see, I got both the fog lamps in. Took about 10 minutes both sides to be completed. So, you know, you may be faster than me, but if you just have the right tools, you better do it with ease. Check out my next video. I'll be doing my headlight assemblies next, as soon as they come in. All right, like it or dislike it or follow. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna keep doing this thing.